Yo, I cannot believe I just hit 1,000 subscribers in only 1 week. What's up? This is John from John Branch 4 Photography, and y'all are too kind. I am just mind blown that I've gotten so many subscribers in such a short time, and I'm just mind blown by it. So first off, I'd like to thank all of y'all for enjoying my content, and I hope to really bring a lot more value to you all. But first, I want to bring value by doing this giveaway of a lovely Apple Pencil. Woo! So yeah, because y'all are so cool and I love you all, and we've been talking about the iPad because I'm just like mind blown by it and it's like all I'm talking about, I figured I'd go ahead and do a giveaway of the new Apple Pencil. Now I'm sure some of you might be thinking, well, why would I really want an Apple Pencil if I'm not an artist or I don't really draw or anything? But I found it extremely useful just even using it in Lightroom. So the biggest use for it in Lightroom is using it to add adjustments. You can do painted on specific adjustments to like the skin or the background, and it's so nice to be able to just do it right there on the screen. Honestly, I've been a big Mac person. I used to work at Apple, and I actually considered buying one of those Surface desktops. I don't even, what's the name of the thing? Surface? I have no idea what it's called, but I was heavily considering buying one of those just so I could do my brush adjustments on the screen in Lightroom. But now I have an iPad, so I can just do it there. Also, when you're making adjustments to like your exposure and things like that, it's so nice to have the Apple Pencil and just be able to like tap on the place instead of having to like slide around your finger, or like hope you're fat. Look at my palm, look at my finger. My little fat hands, I can't press the little buttons on there. So the Apple Pencil is nice to have it on there. Also, I dabble a little bit in art. I used to draw back in the day. I used to do a bunch of anime stuff. So it's nice to have the pencil and be able to do that stuff. And there's all kinds of other apps that you can use. Taking notes on it is really awesome. I'll probably start doing that more often because I hate paper and I hate having to carry 50 different things. So yeah, the Apple Pencil, even if you're not an artist, is really hype. And honestly, I'm giving away one for free, so jump on it. But yeah, I really appreciate all the subs. I hope you all are loving what's on the channel, and I hope to bring more. Link in the description for the giveaway. Sign up, share it with your friends, watch a video, and we'll be drawing closer to the end of the year so you can start out 2019 with a new Apple Pencil for free. Hopefully you haven't bought one yet, and if you have, just leave a comment about what else you want to get for your iPad. Thank you all a lot. And don't forget to check out the live stream on Thursday. We're gonna look at actually editing on the iPad. We'll answer all your questions and you'll get to see it in action live. Thanks again, y'all. I am so overwhelmed. We'll catch you next time. All right, peace.